Hello, I'm Ayla Baker, and you're about to watch my Rube Goldberg project, the Hot Quarantine Killer. The Hot Quarantine Killer spills soapy water on your hands at the end so that you can wash them and kill corona. My Rube Goldberg project starts with me turning on the stove and providing thermal energy to the balloon. The thermal energy from the stove heats up the air inside of the balloon, making it expand until 3, 2, 1. Kinetic energy from the balloon popping pushes the stick off of the ramp and lets the ball fall. The ball was not in movement until acted upon by another force, which is an example of one of Newton's 3 laws. When the stick moved out of the way, it was acted upon by the force of gravity and was then allowed to move. The ball then uses mechanical energy to hit the cue stick, and that hits the dominoes, which is potential energy to kinetic energy. When the dominoes end, they hit a popsicle stick onto 2 pieces of tinfoil, which act as a switch to finish the circuit and let the electricity flow to the soldering iron so that it can heat up and melt a piece of solder, which is holding up the cup with soapy water in it. The cup is set up in a sort of a pulley. The soldering iron took much longer to heat up than expected. This was probably because I didn't put enough weight onto the popsicle stick and the foil didn't touch immediately. Once the soldering iron used electricity and thermal energy to melt the solder that was holding up the cup, it let the water fall onto your hands.